Hey friends, if Brave browser is not opening or working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. First of all, search for Brave in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Check if this helps in opening the Brave browser, or does it take a lot of time, or does it not open at all. Okay, the next is to search for Brave once again. Now simply uninstall it because there's no option to change the settings or repair it, so we will have to straight away uninstall it. Okay, and this time do not install it from the original website or any third-party website. Rather go to the Microsoft Store and search for Brave, and then go to the Brave browser and then click on install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.